Hi everyone! We have a straight from dealership 3-door Suzuki Jimny. These are the partial modes we have done right now because the client is very excited with his unit, so he want what we have item right now to be installed on this unit. Let's start with the engine. We replaced the stock intake into greedy X-Rose intake. It's give you more horsepower increase. And we installed hood shocks. And we're going to install also hood insulator when the item arrive. I will start the engine so that you can hear the intake. We also replace the grill into the JDM1 and also add one set of PIAA sports horn. Sound check. And also upgraded the fog lamp to LED, same color on the headlight. Also, we install Jaos sports cowl to give that nice accent look. And also, we're going to install IPF lamp stay here when the item arrive. Okay guys, for the suspension of this unit, we're using the full Jaos, complete Jaos. Consists of the shocks, the TI spring, the panhard, the caster bushing. Okay, this is the panhard, adjustable panhard of Jaos. For the shocks, it's here. Return the car. You can adjust the dampening, hard to soft, TI coil spring, and also the caster bushing, we also replace it. Okay. For the rear part of this unit, we also changed the brake hose into the steel braided extended brake hose. And for the rims and tires on this unit, we're using the 5-piece. This is the A-Lab J. This is the limited 23-24. This in PH color. Matte, translucent black, as you can see. The color. Wrap in BF Goodrich KO2 tires. For the interior, as of now, we install some Exea products that like the side pocket holder Exea, cup holder Exea, and for the Capsea grip assist holder, this one to put your coins, and also the assist mirror on the right side, as you can see. And also installed Hypotec matting, top speed throttle controller. Believe me guys, big help It reduces anti-lag, and you can choose sports mode, off-road, and many more choices. It's plug and play. For the rear, we also installed Jaos Battle Z exhaust system. We'll start the engine. Rear panhard also installed, and this is the adjustment for the rear shocks. Very easy, very convenient. You can adjust it by yourself. Also soon, we're going to replace the rear tail light into LED. Also, we're just waiting the parts to arrive. And also, we're going to install Rival UVP, under vehicle protection. It's made of aluminum. We'll do videos for that also when the item arrives. Also, on the rear tailgate, we replaced the tailgate shocks to dirt drive. The purpose of this one, it's open 90 degrees compared to the stock, because the stock is just open like this. At least it's open, more space for you. And also we installed Exaya defogger cover to hide the defogger wire inside. What else? Also interior light installed. And also, we're going to install armrest, comfort armrest. That's the top of the line armrest for Jimny OEM. We'll do videos for that after install also. Okay. This is it as for now. If you're interested with our build here, feel free to message me, because stock is boring, guys. No to fake wheels. And please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Bye!